In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down to click on Users and Accounts. Then click on Google. Select the Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!